Universe that we live in. Have you ever thought how it has formed? Even I thought it just 1 year ago. But it had took place 13.8 billion years ago. So to see this, we have to go back in time, almost 13.8 billion years ago. This is our universe. Are you believing it is looking like a size of an atom when it had not formed? The incidents that are going to be took place in the universe is in this energy. There is no value of time, but the universe we know is going to start. Due to some strange cause, this universe that is smaller than an atom come into existence. In 10 million part of 1 second, the universe had opened out. After this phenomena, it resulted in the formation of universe. And guess friends, this formation is known as a Big Bang. A pure energy had been produced from this blast and time came into existence. After this blast, time came to exist. For almost 10 million years, this energy was moving in space and cooled down. And after this, guess friends, what happened? A formation of matter had took place, and billions of atoms, protons, electrons, and neutrons were formed. After this, mainly two types of things made. First was matter, and second was antimatter. Antimatter is opposite of matter, and when they came into contact, it got destroyed. And after it destroyed, one matter was left, and it blast, and that was the thing which we were looking for. Our space is now totally made. After this blast, all the things that was happening in that was cooled down, and the things that left after blast come into contact due to the force. It is none other than the gravitational force. In starting, the quantity of hydrogen atom was very much, and when gravitational force compressed them to the 1000 degrees Celsius to the particular area, it reaches up to several millions degree, and then it raised to 10 million degrees Celsius. Then one process has started, which is known as nuclear fusion. There is a complete video on nuclear fusion you can watch in this channel. Due to so much of energy was released in which our first star was born. Due to this same process, almost 200 to 500 stars formed, and after million years ago, more than 10 million stars formed. Due to this gravitational force, the stars came into front, and the stars started live together in a group. The scene you can see here is the formation of galaxies, and then millions of galaxies formed. After in this, one galaxy formed, which is known as a Milky Way, in which you and we live. In this galaxy, millions of stars were there, but some dust were left. Under a time of 1000 years, gravity shows its power. The dust that was left started to come into contact, and due to this process, formation of many planets took place. This was the Big Bang theory. So, I think you have seen what was the Big Bang theory. In our upcoming videos, you will get what was the Big Bang after the Big Bang theory, what had happened, how our sun and solar system formed. So thank you so much for watching guys. Keep watching and do not forget to press the bell icon.